Emily, the Office Manager at Grand Rapids Counseling Services. I'm going to walk you through how to fill out our new referral form for any court-related services. First, you'll want to navigate to our website, which is grcounseling.com, and then you'll hit Get Started in this top right corner. And under Mandated Assessments and Treatment, we'll select Request Treatment. You can also get to this page directly by going to grcounseling.com/schedule/mandated. This form works whether you are the client, attorney, probation officer, physician, or any other referring agent. The first question has you select your role, and then this will change the questions that are asked of you. Let's start with an attorney example, and then I'll show you a probation officer example. So first you'll fill out your contact information as the attorney. I'm going to go with Sean Robinson's information here. He's our executive director at GRCS. Alright, and for this example, we'll say this is for an OWI charge. Let's say it's a second offense charge, and we'll say it's in the 63rd District Court. We do need an evaluation, a substance use evaluation, and let's say we need it by the end of this month. Now we ask about the 61st District Court Sobriety Court, as GRCS is able to secure grant funding for clients needing these screening evaluations, but for this example we will say no. And we do have interpretation services available in over 320 languages, but for this example we will also say no. Moving on to the client's information for you to fill out as best as you can. I will put myself for the example. Say I prefer a virtual appointment. That part's fine. Next, there's a field for you to put any other relevant information that you'd like to provide, and then we're done. GRCS's admin team now contacts the client to finish scheduling and provide them all the details of their appointment, and a confirmation email is sent to you, the attorney, when their appointment is scheduled, and the written report of the evaluation is sent to you within 10 business days of the client's appointment. Now let's fill this out again, but as a probation officer with a different client, different charges, and different services. So let's put Sean again as the probation officer for this example, and let's say our agency is the referring court. So for this example, we will say that it's not for an OWI. Let's say it's for a domestic violence charge, and we're going to say that they do not need an evaluation. In this example, we'll say that they have until the end of the year to complete the anger management education program and individual outpatient therapy. Now we move on to the client's information. I'll put myself again. Say an in-person appointment. Continue. Now in this field, the probation officer might want to put bi-weekly counseling sessions, or that the client has a preference on a male or female clinician, any other relevant information, or none at all. We'll press send, and now GRCS will contact the client to finish scheduling, and GRCS will also send the probation officer important information such as attendance issues and completion reports as soon as the information is available. That's all. If you have any questions or issues with the new referral form, please give us a call or send us an email, and we're happy to help. Thank you very much.